What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Before I start the video, I just want to say happy leap year. It's the 29th of February today, and it's a special kind of time because it's like only like this time once every 4 years. So next time it will be in 2028 or 2028. But to the people who have their birthdays on the 29th of February, it basically means they're like, if they were 8 years old, they'd be 4. If they were 12, they'd be 8. If they were 14, they'd be 10. If they'd be 30, they'd be 26. And yeah, the list just goes on and on. But yeah, if someone was 100, they'd be 96. But yeah, you get what I mean. So basically, if someone had a birthday, instead of having a birthday every year, they'd have the birthday like every 4 years. If it was the 29th of February, so they'd be like 4 months, not 4 months, 4 years younger, but also like have the birthday every 4 years and whatever. But yes, guys, in today's video, I want to tell you guys how my cough is. So basically, if you don't already know, I started this massive YouTube I started this massive YouTube thing where I do serious videos instead of pranks. And basically what's going on is, in me videos, I don't do joking about anymore. I do like serious stuff. But examples of it, the video where, if you see this video is serious, the videos where I like say about my ankle, that was serious. My sin videos, the one about how I broke my collarbone, how I broke my right knee, they're serious. My cough videos, but yeah. But I just wanted to say, not last night, before I get this video started and say how my cough is, I had a pretty bad thing happen yesterday, but it weren't like, I wouldn't say completely bad, but it was a accident. So, as I was in the upstairs toilet, yesterday, cleaning my teeth, before I got my toothbrush out, obviously, I tried to get my toothbrush out. So basically in the toilet, there's 2 of these toilet holder things where it holds either a glass or a plastic cup. But in this house, it's glass. So I tried to get the toothpaste and toothbrush out. My foot was about there on the floor when it happened. I was standing up normally. My cousin's screaming. I'm sorry about that, but oh my god, I'm sorry, that's just distracting you. But basically, yesterday morning, when I tried to get the toothbrush and toothpaste out, this glass fell on the floor and smashed right next to my foot. But it was a complete accident. I didn't mean to do it, it just fell off. But it was about that far away from my foot. I'd say the glass was there and my foot was there. But I thought it was going to land on me, to be honest, because who wouldn't? If you're in a small kind of space like that. But yeah, I made a bad decision of trying to hide it from my auntie, but she found out because I told her. Because I basically hid it, picked up all the glass and tried to hide it behind the toilet rolls, but my cousin noticed me and stopped me, so yeah, I told my auntie instead because that were pretty silly of me trying to hide it. But yeah, when the glass broke on the floor, she was from downstairs screaming up the stairs, "Evan, what on earth have you done now? Evan, what on earth have you done now?" Oh my God. She was literally screaming up the stairs, not screaming, but she was literally in shock about it. She just today I was on about it with her earlier, because from downstairs she was in the kitchen. She thought that a brick fell on the floor because of how loud it is from downstairs, and it's honestly hilarious that she thought it was a brick instead of a glass when it was an actual smash. But yeah, I picked all the glass up, most of it. My aunt hoovered the little bits up, but she had a bit of a bad thing happen today. Wow, she was I think she either were cleaning her teeth or doing something like that, I don't know. She literally went in the loo. She didn't need the loo, she just went to I think, sort the towels out in the bathroom or something like that. She literally stood on the bits of glass that were on the floor, and it's literally in a big toe, like that toe there, and it's stuck, and it's not funny. This bit's not funny, but there's gonna be probably a splinter, and she's got to go work with it tomorrow, so I wish her luck. But yeah, today has been a good day for me. I have had the cough, but nowhere near as bad. And yeah, I was at school all day today still. I've been to school every day this week. But I've still got the cough a bit, but I sound like a woman. It's actually an embarrassing sound how I was speaking then, because my throat went all croaky. But as I was saying, I went to school today and literally had a really good day. And yeah, I've still had the cough. I did a musical orchestral thing this afternoon. I went to the shops. I did a bit of a science lesson. I played football, but I was coughing a bit, but not much at all. But to be fair, I have had this cough for 24 days. I'm in day 24, so I've only got if it is true, the state of matter that it's a 30-day cough, I've only got 6 days to go. So yeah, I'll be happy about that when it's gone. But I barely got any of it left, because I got rid of the temperature, I got my appetite back. I've not been feeling sick, I've just been coughing. Recently, yesterday I was coughing, but each time I coughed I had a headache, but that's gone now. And each time I cough, I'm not coughing as really as badly as I used to be. Originally was. I'm not wheezing now. But yeah, I've still got the cough a little bit, but not much. But talking about that toilet incident earlier, which was yesterday that happened, basically there was another one a few days before, or a few weeks before. Basically, me auntie has one of them bleach detox things in the, like, Domestos thing, I think it's called, in a loo, down in her toilet downstairs. But she made, well, not mistake, but she had it on near the toilet seat in the middle of the loo. I know one time I went toilet and that thing fell down into the, like, water of the toilet before I even went toilet. But there were tissue in the loo, I think. But so I tried to flush it because there was tissue in the loo. But as well as the tissue going down, that literally went down as well. The thing that was connected to, like, the thing to disinfect all the toilet literally went down all the way. And me, she's probably going to have to get a plumber to unblock the toilet for her or get her a new toilet already. God, it was hilarious, but it won't be, it's not for them lot, it's just, but I didn't like the downstairs loo anyway much, because it's too small and confined, too claustrophobic, but yeah. But yeah, it was hilarious, but I feel kind of bad as well. But yes, might need a plumber, so we're trying to unblock it the other day. As you could probably guess, it went wrong and it didn't work. But yes, guys, oh, my throat. I told you a few funny stories in this video, including how my cough's been. But yes, guys, if you enjoyed this video, remember to leave a like, subscribe. Oh God, leave a comment if you're new to the channel. Oh my God. And yes, guys, I'll turn on post notifications. And yes, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.